is the image taken from the re-entry capsule. Of course, 3 astronauts are already on board. Shenzhou 9, they are waiting for the final command to get close and rendezvous and dock with Tiangong 1, the target vehicle. And that will probably take place in about 30 minutes. And the astronauts were checking the final procedures until they performed that maneuver. As I just explained minutes ago, it will take about 20 to 30 minutes to get to the target vehicle Tiangong 1. They have undergoing several orbit maneuvers to get there.
Now we can see they have already passed the 140-meter parking point.
Why we decide the 4 parking pods, parking at 5 kilometer, 140, 30, and finally have the contact? Why these 4 parking pods?
These parking points are very important. We have many sensors on board Shenzhou 9 and Tiangong 1 target vehicle. During the process of the rendezvous and docking, we should check if every subsystem is also correct. And additionally, at the 400-meter parking point, we should stick out the capture ring or the docking ring of the active APAS.
Well, this is obviously the image taken by the camera outside Shenzhou 9 spacecraft.
The distance between these 2 spacecrafts is less than 5 kilometers. There are 4 checking and parking points to ensure the safety of 2 spacecrafts. They will check the speed, position, and the altitude and the altitude of 2 spacecrafts.
Well, we see on the right-hand side is Tianlian, the logo of Tianlian, which is our data communication satellite. That means this image is transmitted through your satellite.
Yes. This video comes from the Tianlian 1 satellite. The 2 spacecrafts are docking is performed in automatic mode, just as the last mission.
So this is actually programmed docking. It's just done automatically rather than handled by astronauts. John, it seems that the U.S. tend to use manual modes more, while the Russians tend to use automatic modes. What is the difference? What is behind the choice, the preferences?
To a certain extent, once a technique has been developed, you tend to stay with it. And the great success of the Soviet Union in docking the Progress modules with their space stations led them to place a high degree of reliance on automatic docking. Intrinsically, automated docking can be done with a very high degree of precision because machinery can measure distances and angular rates and rate of approach much more accurately than the human eye can.
That why do the Russians choose to do it manually? Why do the Americans choose to do it manually?
Because it's been very successful for them.
Instead of the automatic?
Yes.
What you see on the upper right is 3 astronauts on board Shenzhou 9, and the upper left is?
Upper left is the video from the Shenzhou 9.
Well, this is the image taken by Tiangong 1 camera of Shenzhou 9 spacecraft approaching the target vehicle.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is actually the image taken from that space lab.
Yeah.
About the approaching Shenzhou 9 spacecraft, which carried, of course, 3 astronauts. And hopefully, when they dock, the astronauts will come from that vehicle we see now into the vehicle where the image is taken.
Yeah.
That is Shenzhou 9.
Yeah.
That is Tiangong 1, of course. And the 2 space vehicles are 30 meters away from another this is going to be the final step